It is a beautiful morning in the village. Grandpa, Lilit, and Mimi wake up early because today is a very big day. For almost 21 days, the chicken has been sitting quietly on her eggs, and today they will finally hatch. Lilit is so excited. She wants to see the little chicks with her own eyes. Together, they start walking toward the farm. The farm is bright and beautiful. Warm sunshine fills the air. Birds are singing everywhere, and all the animals are awake, ready to start their day. Lilit, Grandpa, and Mimi walk happily along the farm road, all the way to the chicken coop.
Grandpa, look! Look how many eggs are here! And look how the chicken is sitting so calmly on her eggs. Shh! I can hear little sounds. I think they are going to hatch. Look! I see her! She is hatching! Oh, I can't believe this! Here she is! Look how beautiful she is! She is so beautiful. So tiny, so soft, so warm, so yellow. I already love her so much. Grandpa, look! Another one is hatching. Oh, this one is brown. Just as beautiful as the yellow one. Now we have 2 little chicks. Let's give them some water. Look! Another one! This one is black. Now we have 3 chicks. Oh, the black one is jumping down to join the others. This is so exciting. Oh, another one. This one is black too. Now we have 4 little chicks. Look how nicely they are together, drinking the water. So calm, so sweet. I love them. Look, another one. Oh, this one is red. The 5 little chicks are drinking water so nicely. And then, suddenly, one of the black chicks decides to play. Jump! Splash, splash. Oh no! Now everyone wants to join in. Splash, splash. Water is everywhere. The chicks are wet. Lilit is wet too. But no one minds. Everyone is laughing. Everyone is playing. After all the splashing and laughter, the little ones line up together, ready for a gentle walk across the farm. The sun shines warm and golden above them, and Mimi proudly leads the way. Behind him, the chicks march happily, and Lilit and Grandpa follow with smiles. They reach the farm gate, almost ready to step into a brand new adventure. But then they turn around one more time, just to say goodbye and wish you a beautiful, playful day. Because every adventure teaches us something new, and sharing moments with friends makes the world a little brighter. And so, as they march toward new adventures, we say, thank you for joining us on KidNeat. Until next time, may your days be full of smiles, friendship, and little discoveries.